Right now, AI lives on our screens. It answers questions, writes emails, generates images, and crunches data faster than any human ever could. But here's the hook most investors and everyday people are missing. AI is about to leave the screen and enter the physical world. This next phase is already happening, and it's called embodied intelligence. Instead of just thinking, AI is starting to move, see, touch, and act. When intelligence gets a body, everything changes: how we work, how companies make money, and how entire industries are valued. For the US audience watching right now, this isn't some far-off sci-fi idea. This is the next major investment cycle, and it's unfolding in real time. To understand why this matters so much, think about where we are today. Over the last few years, AI investment has been dominated by software, chatbots, cloud AI, data models, and digital tools. That wave created massive winners. But Wall Street never stops at one wave. Capital always flows to what's next, and right now, the biggest tech companies in the world are spending tens of billions of dollars per quarter preparing for AI to operate in the real world. This is why you're hearing terms like physical AI, embodied AI, and intelligent robotics more often. These aren't buzzwords. They describe a shift where AI systems are embedded into machines, robots in warehouses, autonomous vehicles on roads, robotic arms in factories, surgical robots in hospitals, and even humanoid assistants in controlled environments. The reason this transition is so powerful comes down to productivity. Software AI improves decision-making. Embodied AI replaces or augments physical labor. That's a massive leap. In the United States alone, labor shortages, rising wages, and supply chain inefficiencies are forcing companies to automate faster than ever. When AI-powered robots can work 24/7, reduce errors, and lower long-term costs, companies don't hesitate. We're already seeing this in Amazon warehouses, where robots now outnumber human workers, not because humans are obsolete, but because automation dramatically improves speed, safety, and margins. This is exactly why Wall Street is paying attention. Another key point most people overlook is energy. Every major technology revolution has been an energy story at its core. Railroads needed coal, automobiles needed oil, the digital age needed electricity and data centers. Embodied AI needs all of it: power, compute, and reliability. A robot making real-time decisions can't lag, freeze, or fail. Whether it's an autonomous vehicle, a drone, or a factory robot, uninterrupted energy and high-performance chips are non-negotiable. That's why AI isn't just boosting tech stocks. It's driving demand across energy infrastructure, semiconductors, and industrial automation. This is not a narrow trend, it's a full ecosystem shift. For investors in the US market, this matters because embodied AI changes how companies are valued. When a firm uses intelligent robotics to cut costs and boost efficiency, earnings grow faster than revenue. That's when Wall Street re-rates stocks higher. We're already seeing companies with modest top-line growth suddenly post massive profit increases because AI-driven automation is reducing waste, shortening production cycles, and improving precision. This is the kind of fundamental improvement long-term investors love because it's sustainable, not hype-driven. Semiconductors play a central role here as well. AI with a body needs vision, perception, and fast decision-making. That requires advanced CPUs and GPUs, capable of processing massive amounts of visual and sensory data. This is why chip makers are racing not just to power data centers, but to power machines operating in the real world. Autonomous driving, delivery drones, industrial robots, and defense systems all depend on this hardware. As embodied AI expands, demand for these chips doesn't just grow, it diversifies across industries, making the trend more resilient than a single product boom. What makes this moment especially important is timing. This is not the early concept stage, and it's not the late saturation stage. We are in the middle of the transition from experimentation to deployment. Companies are moving from pilots to full-scale rollouts. Governments are integrating AI robotics into infrastructure and defense. Hospitals are expanding robotic surgery programs. Manufacturers are redesigning factories around intelligent machines. And investors are starting to realize that this is not just an AI story, it's an automation and productivity revolution. Of course, there will be volatility. Tech pullbacks, rate changes, and market corrections are normal. But the long-term direction is clear. As long as big companies continue increasing capital spending on AI, robotics, and automation, the trend remains intact. The real signal to watch isn't daily stock prices. it's whether spending slows down. Right now it isn't, in fact it's accelerating. That's why many analysts believe embodied AI could add trillions of dollars to global market value over the next decade. For everyday Americans watching this unfold, the takeaway is simple. AI isn't done changing the world. The first phase changed how we think and communicate. The next phase will change how work gets done in the physical world. Warehouses, factories, transportation, healthcare, and logistics are all being reshaped right now. This creates risks for companies that refuse to adapt, but massive opportunities for those that lead, and for investors who understand where the puck is going, not where it's been. As we move forward, embodied intelligence will become so normal that we stop calling it robots will simply be part of daily operations, just like computers are today. And just like the internet boom created winners across multiple sectors, this robotics wave will reward companies supplying energy, chips, software, and automation systems. This isn't hype. This is the next chapter of technological progress. So if you're asking where AI goes from here, the answer is clear. It gets a body, and once intelligence can move, see, and act in the real world, the economic impact becomes far bigger than anything we've seen on a screen. For investors, builders, and anyone thinking about the future, this is a story you can't afford to ignore. The next AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And it's walking, driving, lifting, and working its way into the real economy.